Transform your tap water into pure, delicious hydration with this simple guide to installing your Costco water purification system. Today, we're tackling the installation of this fantastic water purification system, readily available at Costco, to bring you safer, cleaner drinking water at home. Unboxing is the first step. You'll find your main purification unit, various connecting hoses, fittings, and an instruction manual. Familiarize yourself with all the parts before you begin. Next, find your cold water line under the kitchen sink. This is usually a small valve connected to a copper or PEX pipe. It's crucial to shut off the water supply at this point to prevent any leaks. Turn the valve firmly clockwise until it stops. Double-checking that the water is indeed off by turning on your faucet is a smart move. Now, we need to tee into this cold water line. Locate the flexible hose connecting your faucet to the shut-off valve. Unscrew this hose from the fitting at the faucet end. You'll use the provided T-adapter. Screw the threaded end of the T-adapter onto the faucet connector, ensuring a tight seal. Hand tighten it first, then use a wrench for a final quarter turn. Reattach your original flexible water supply line to the side outlet of the T-adapter again. Hand tighten and then give it a gentle snug with a wrench. Now, take the inlet hose from your purification system and connect it to the remaining outlet on the T-adapter. Ensure the connection is secure to prevent any water escape. The other end of your purification system's hose will connect to the faucet if your system includes a dedicated filtered water spout. Mount that first according to your system's specific instructions. Otherwise, connect the outlet hose to the designated port on your main faucet. With all connections made, it's time to turn the water back on. Slowly open the cold water shutoff valve by turning it counterclockwise. As the water flows, meticulously inspect every connection point for any drips or leaks. If you see any, immediately shut off the water and tighten the connection. Many systems require an initial flush of the filters. Follow the manual's instructions for flushing, which usually involves running water through the system for several minutes to remove any residual debris or air. Should you encounter persistent leaks, check that all O-rings are in place and that fittings are screwed in straight. Over-tightening can also damage fittings, so a firm but gentle approach is key. Once the flushing is complete and all connections are dry, you're ready to enjoy pure water. Simply turn on your filtered water tap and fill a glass for a taste test. Congratulations! You've successfully installed your Costco water purification system for a healthier, cleaner drinking water experience at home.